What's up, Trail Trash? Welcome back. Today I want to talk to you about a flashlight I've been using for the past few months, and I guess explain to you why I think this is the best flashlight for everyday carry, or maybe camping or overlanding. Any of those scenarios, this would be a great flashlight. It is small in design, but it just is so bright, and it has so many modes for a small light. It is rechargeable. It's a USB-C rechargeable battery, and I think it's a 600 milliamp hour battery. And I'll get into the details of it, but just for a small clip-on, and it has a magnetic base to it. So many reasons why I think it's the best light and why I think it may be a good choice for you. So first we will do the unboxing of it, and I will show you what actually comes in the box, and we'll go through all the features. If you have any questions or comments, please drop them below and I will get to them. Here is the Wurkkos HD03, and this is how it comes in the box. This is the light itself. Really small in design. It's got the clip on there where you can actually clip it on, or the base is also magnetic, so you can just stick it there. If you're working under the hood of a car or something like that, you could stick it under there, turn it on. Really small. You get the USB cord for charger, and you have a lanyard also. So we'll take this out. And this will go. Let me get that on camera. So that'll go on there. And then this just clips in there. And you're able to have it on here. So to turn it on, you have a button on the right there. You just press it once and it comes on. You hold it down and it will go through the series of brightness. Push it again and it'll go off. That's the floodlight. Press up on this button on the other side, and then press once and you've got a spotlight. And same concept, hold down on the button and it'll cycle through all of the brightness modes, which is I think 4 modes of brightness. And then turn it off a spot and then double click and it goes into RGB mode, which is party mode, mood, light mode, and strobe. And then double click it while it's on, and it goes into other modes. And you just double click each time and it'll go into different modes. So it's going through, double click, and now it's changing colors. You can pick your color just by pressing it once you get on the color you want. And then again, double click, it goes into modes. Double click. Double click. Double click. Double click. So this thing has 680 lumen, which is crazy. that is a huge brightness that is just out of this world. That's on spotlight. This is on flood. And this is your 680 lumens, which is crazy bright. And of course you got your clip and your magnetic base. Really awesome light. I'm digging it. I've really enjoyed it. Okay, so here I'd gone outside earlier in the morning while it was dark to record some usage, but I forgot to push recording, so you can tell it's gotten daylight at this point, but I still wanted to show the light in use and just, you know, scroll through the functions of it. This is me walking around the back of the house, and this is the light in flood mode right here. So I'm going through the different brightness. Now I've got it in spot mode, and you can see that on bright, it really reaches out there. Really bright flashlight. So like I was saying, this small light has 680 lumens, so it's really great for whether you're broke down on the side of the road and you need to just stick it to the fender well so you can see your tire as you change it. Whether you're camping, broke down, like working on your engine bay at night, whatever the case, walking your dog, this thing really comes in handy. It's so small, being able to stick it in your pocket, or just clip it on you and it's there and it works. I think the recharge time on it is only charged to full capacity in 1 hour and 20 minutes. And in, I think, the moonlight mode, which is a low light mode, it will run for 36 hours. So that is a long time. On full blast at 680 lumens, it only runs for 1 hour and 30 minutes, but that's a long time for full blast. You know, not many times do you need something that bright, but still got a good run time for something so small. And being USB-C rechargeable, it's easy to get it charged up. So not a big deal on that, but really awesome product. I'd like to thank Wurkkos for sending me this flashlight to review. It's been a nice upgrade to the flashlight I had. I did not really like the old school flashlight I had. I was using AAA batteries. It was a good light, but I don't like batteries. So this is a really good upgrade to my camping gear and all. But if the link is in the description, and I did look on Amazon. You can get on Amazon for about $17 or $18, so that is not a bad price for a really good flashlight. But if you have any questions or comments, please drop them below. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please do so. It helps me out. And until next time, stay trashy. Yeah, like I was saying, the HD03 is 680 lumens, so it's really bright. If you need it on the side of the road, changing a tire or working in the engine bay, you can just, the magnetic base, you can just stick it there, and you know, it's got a good cast of light on your work area. So you can recharge the light in 1 hour and 20 minutes, so it's fully recharged in 1 hour and 20 minutes. On mood mode, it will last 36 hours on moonlight mode, which is a low light mode. Full capacity, I think it rated about 1.5 hours, so, which is a long time for 680 lumens. So yeah, I would like to thank Wurkkos for sending me the light. It's been a nice asset to my camping gear. And if you have any questions or comments, please drop them below. And if you're in the market for the light, check out Amazon. I looked at Amazon today. It was like $17 or $18. So it is on Amazon, and to me, it's well worth it for the price. I mean, for an everyday carry flashlight, it's really awesome and convenient and functional. That's the thing, functional. So if you got anything out of this, please like and share it. And until next time, stay trashy.